欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说
Now that everybody's seen that I brought something, I should probably just throw this out. Now that everybody's seen that I brought something.
既然现在人人都看到了我有带东西来。既然现在人人都看到了我有带东西来。
I should probably just throw this out.
我也应该把这倒掉了。我也应该把这倒掉了。我们先来学一下生词。既然现在人人都看到了我有带东西来。Let's break this into two. 既然现在，既然现在，既然，既然，现在，现在，人人，人人，都 Check out episode 13 for discussion and more examples of this word. 看到了，看到了，看，看，到。We'll come back to this in just a moment. L. Coming back to 看到, this is one of the common 到 combos. 到 essentially means arriving at one point in time or location. Action words that are often teamed up with 到 are usually related to ability, possibility, or efforts. Things that you either make it or don't make it or can't make it. 到 tells you if someone make it or not in actioning this ability, whether they get to where they're supposed to be in doing something. Coming back to 看到, 看 to look, see, or to watch. 看到 able to see, look, or watch. 既然现在人人都看到了 given, now, every and each person, or have seen. Second part of the sentence, 我有带东西来。我有。This is the same word that means to have. We'll talk about this word a bit more later. 带东西 Check out episode 18 for a discussion on 东西。来带 something something 来 is a common structure. The main word is 带, bringing something with you. 来 essentially means to come, to move towards you, the speaker. The whole combo means bringing things to where you are, towards you, the speaker. 带东西来 bringing something with oneself to here. 有 when it's used right before an action word, it tells whether this happened or not. 有 means yes, positively you have brought something. 没有 means no, you didn't bring anything with you. 我也应该把这倒掉了。我也应该把这倒掉。We'll unpack this in just a moment. 把 We had a very detailed discussion of 把 in episode 15, so check that out. 这倒掉把这倒掉 The intuitive approach to say throw this out would be 倒掉这 But as discussed in episode 15, when you have a specific something that needs to be dealt with a specific action, we usually say this specific something first, then name the action, and you need 把 to complete this arrangement. To have this thrown out. Back to where we were, 了 By now we have learned all the three main functions of 了 I'll do a grammar episode on these too. Today we discuss the third one, which is to tag a statement to make it an expression of your observation, sentiment, declaration, or any thoughts, ideas that you want to share. For example, 我应该把它倒掉了. I should throw this out. 大家开始盯着我们了. People were starting to stare. We had this in episode 8. 下雨了 It's raining. 太棒了 Brilliant. 我的心都碎了 My heart is broken. For this function, le is always at the end of a statement. 到 arriving at one point in time or location. Let's see more examples of its use in couples. 看到 able to see. 看不到 unable to see. 没看到 did not see it, missed it. 能看到吗 Can you see? Are you able to see? 有看到吗 Did you see it? Did you manage to catch the sight of it? 有 to be in possession of something, there exists something. We had a discussion on one of its uses in episode 19. Today we learned its use of being a qualifier for action words. 有 plus a verb means this did happen. 没有 or simply 没 means this did not happen. Note that this is mainly for statements about events in the past. 我有带东西来 I did bring something. 我有见过他 I did see him. This could mean that yes, I saw him, he has been around and about. Or yes, I did meet with him. 他没说 He didn't say. 他有说来吗 Did she say if she'll come? 没煮透 Wasn't cooked enough. 好，下一节我们学习怎么说。
Jeanette, I've been looking all over for you. Are you aware of what your sons are doing?
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。